Hello everyone, my name is Thomas. I'm a 50-year or 50-plus old guy, software developer, and last year I decided to follow my dream and get myself a sheep farm. Welcome to my humble abode. This is our small farm in Gothenburg called Gustegården. Today it's home to 7 ewes and 1 ram and a growing number of small lambs. The sheep we have are called goat sheep. It's a old breed of sheep from Sweden. And let me introduce you to some of the lambs and sheep that lives with us. This is Sean. He's a happy fella. How you doing, man? And this is Ralph. And this little lady, she's Adele. She's a bit shy, but quite lovely. Likes to hang around with mom. I decided to start this farm because I wanted to get closer to nature. And tendering to animals is a fantastic thing to do. It gives you peace of mind and allows you to experience things that you usually don't experience as a city boy or a city slicker. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm really happy that I took this step. It's a lot of hard work, but it's all worth it. So tag along and follow our journey. See you around.